Dindigul is famous for a lot of things, but especially for mutton biryani. And today we're going to see a typical South Indian dish. Before that, if the video is good, please to like the video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification. Come, let's check out the recipe. First, to cook the mutton, I'm going to take 150 grams of mutton and add required water for it. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 pinch of rock salt and close the lid. Let the mutton cook for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the masala paste. Take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 kalpasi, 1 star anise, 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 clove, 1 green chilli, 1 bay leaf, ginger and garlic, grind it to a paste. After the mutton is cooked, take another pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee. After the oil is hot, start adding the shallots which has been finely chopped, just a small onion. Now saute well till it turns to a golden brown color. Add half a teaspoon of salt to cook faster. Now add chopped tomatoes. After the tomatoes are cooked well, add the grinded paste. Saute well for about 5 minutes. Now add half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, when the oil starts separating, add a handful of mint leaves and 2 tablespoons of thick curd. Cook well for about 2 minutes. Now you can add the cooked mutton. Now check the salt and add if it is required. Add 2 cups of water to cook the rice. I have taken the excess water from the mutton. Stir well till it starts boiling. Now add the 150 grams of Siriga Samba rice which has been soaked for half an hour. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and close the lid and leave it for about 2 whistles. Yes, now the biryani is well cooked and it's ready to taste. Look the way the rice is cooked with the mutton. It's looking yummy to have. Hope you enjoy doing this. Please to try this recipe, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.